My name is Ori Green with MCC Incorporated. We are at our Macville location. This is our busiest quarry. It's a limestone quarry, and this is where we do most of our crushing and washing.
For many years, we never had any way of drying our product up. It was getting costly of sending wet material to our asphalt plants. It cost more in oil, more in fuel, so we decided we had to dry it up.
We recently purchased a VD18 UltraDRY Screen, and with putting that with our Twin 44 wash plant, have seen a tremendous yield increase. It's all about the finished product, and we've gone from a moisture content of 18, and with the UltraDRY Screen, we've dropped that down to about 7 to 8% moisture content, which is big when we're making our manufactured sand for our blacktop plant. And then we put the drier material into the blacktop plant, which in the long run saves us money on oil at the end of the day.
We get less segregation, better uniformity in our piles. They stack better. We make less mess as the materials get conveyed out. Less cleanup. It helps all the way around. Save money.
All of our plants are portable. We go from about 17 different pits and quarries to do all of our washing and crushing, and portability is key. Having the VD18 on the skid has made it very portable and very user-friendly for getting it set up with minimal downtime.